Well, guys, got a bunch of stuff done that I wanted to do today. I got the nose mount for the rear differential mocked up. Turned out good. I used some spare parts, of course, that I had laying around. That just basically provides an additional support to the differential. There's one more support that I don't have, and it's rock guard bands, and they basically go from here underneath the drop boxes and then reattach down there in the secondary hole. That's something I don't have. I'm in touch with a guy that has some, but he got hurt recently and I haven't heard from him, so I hope he's okay. That'll be in an upcoming episode. Obviously, I don't really need those right now for mock-up anyway. I just need to have them at some point, or I have to make some, so one of the two. I raised up the transmission mount about 3/8 or 5/16, pretty close to that measurement, and what that did is that put the motor at a little bit more of a level angle at its resting position, and then it gave me another 1/4 inch between the transmission oil pan and the oh, you can see it right there. Yeah, it gave me more clearance right in that area down there, right there. So clean that up a bit, and then by now in the video you're probably wondering, well, what the hell are you doing now? Well, look at those triple pass welds. That should give you an idea. I just boogered the heck out of those. I wanted to make sure I had really good penetration on these guys. And when I pull the frame apart to grind it down and paint it, obviously there's going to be a bunch of more welding to do on this, which is fine. I plan for that. But for now, I got those I-beams in place. And I know you're probably wondering, like, what on earth are you thinking, putting all that extra weight up front? Well, guess you'll have to tune in tomorrow to find out. But I think that's going to be it for today, guys. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Hit that bell notification so you know when I release new videos. I usually put out 1 or 2 videos a week minimum. But other than that, as always, take care, guys. I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.